Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is pretty cool. Somebody's trying to do it. They sent me this file. And basically all they did was interactive fill tool and kind of made them light on one edge. But they're having trouble doing with a black background. So let's put this in the center of the page. It's all grouped together. I'm going to change my nudge factor. That thing is 13 inches. I'm going to change my nudge factor to 15. And there's an age-old problem when you're using the lens tool that it does this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger by holding down the shift key, and it'll go from the inside out. You've got the circle selected. I'm going to start over. Go to Effect and Lens and go down here to Fisheye. Now, immediately you have to go to Frozen, and then you can move that out of the way. Then I'm going to right-click and have no outline. But here's the problem. There is still white back there. So we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and this is where he's having his problem. We're going to make a black background because black, and that's what he wants to do. It is printed on a black shirt, and it would look really cool. But you see I've got a white background. So what you have to do is click on it and go up to Object and Group and ungroup it. And then grab your white and move it out of the way. There's actually two things there. We're going to delete that. I don't know what that really is. But then I'm going to click on the white again and I'm going to move it out of the way. And then I'm going to hit delete. So there it is. I've removed the black background and it really stands out. I love the idea of the interactive fill tool. I don't think, you could still change it. You could make it, if you wanted to, make them a little bit less white so they're individually. That's pretty cool. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.